Hello, my name is Rachel. Before watching the video, please subscribe and like my channel. When it comes to jumpstarting your day on a healthy note and supporting your weight loss journey, choosing the right breakfast foods can make all the difference. Incorporating nutrient-dense options that keep you satiated and energized can set the tone for a successful day ahead. Here are 4 foods that serve as excellent allies in your quest for a healthy breakfast and weight loss when enjoyed as part of your morning routine. Oatmeal. Starting your morning with a bowl of oatmeal is a smart choice for those looking to shed extra pounds. Oats are rich in soluble fiber, which not only promotes a feeling of fullness but also helps regulate blood sugar levels. This steady energy release can keep mid-morning cravings at bay. Opt for plain, steel-cut or rolled oats and enhance your bowl with fresh berries, sliced nuts, or a drizzle of natural honey. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has gained popularity for good reason. Packed with protein and probiotics, it contributes to feelings of fullness and supports a healthy gut. Protein is known to curb hunger and stabilize blood sugar levels, making Greek yogurt an excellent addition to your healthy breakfast menu. Choose unsweetened, low-fat, or non-fat varieties, and personalize your yogurt with diced fruits, seeds, or a touch of cinnamon. Eggs. Eggs have long been hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, and they certainly earn their place in a weight loss-focused healthy breakfast. High in protein and essential nutrients, eggs can help you feel satisfied for longer periods, reducing the temptation for mid-morning snacking. Whether scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs can be paired with vegetables like spinach, peppers, and tomatoes for a well-rounded and delicious healthy breakfast meal. The best healthy breakfast is an option number 4. The BioFit supplement has a natural formula tested by experts from the United States. To assist you, I've placed the link in the description for you to learn more about BioFit. The product helps women lose weight faster by taking only 1 capsule a day. It's worth trying the BioFit supplement for 180 days, which is the trial period, and if you're not satisfied, they offer a money-back guarantee. BioFit is designed to quickly enhance your weight loss efforts and has transformed the lives of thousands of men and women aged 18 to 95. The supplement link is in the description.